Hello guys, review OPPO A6, this version 6GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box, look complectation. In complectation we have protected back cover on this. Okay. Device, blue sapphire color. Okay, and complectation 45 watt adapter for charging with quick charge, key for SIM slot and Type-C cable. On the back side, double camera. On this side, power button, wall buttons. On this side, combined slot for 2 nano SIM card nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Type-C, speaker, microphone, and this side power button, wall buttons. Power button with fingerprint scanner. Turn on device. We have display LCD, 120 Hz refresh rate, full HD plus resolution, 6.75 inch. Color OS. We have about device, Color OS version 15, Android 15, and open Geekbench 6. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 685. This GPU test results, GPU Adreno 610, and GPU CPU test results. Okay, look Antutu benchmark results, Antutu benchmark, close this, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Let's see gameplay. Game load and works on the graphics HD medium level we have in this game. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.